We are going to start today with a great, easy tailgate recipe for super easy jalapeno poppers. First thing we're going to want to get are our 12 jalapenos. We're going to look for some nice, firm green or red. You can use either color. Red just is a little bit riper and maybe just a tad sweeter. And the first thing we do after we get them washed, we are going to put on rubber gloves. Absolutely, positively put on rubber gloves. You do not want the acid burn you would get from handling these. We're going to take our jalapeno and I'm going to split it right in half down the middle. You can see in here we have seeds and a membrane. That's where the heat comes. That's the part we need to get rid of. So we're going to just take a spoon and we're going to just scoop that on out, making sure we get all those seeds out. If you want, at this point, you can also have on like a pair of glasses or safety glasses, because sometimes these little buggers will spritz up in your face. And believe me, that's not a pleasant thing. 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. I just have a little hand mixer. And see how I've got it all nice and soft. So to that, I'm going to add 4 ounces of a shredded cheddar, 2 tablespoons of chives, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. There we go. We have a real nice mix in there. And we're going to take our spoon. We're just going to take small amounts of that and we're going to lay it right inside our jalapenos. This is where you can have some options if you like. You can leave them just the way they are. They're very good that way. I have some fried crumble sausage that I've cooked ahead of time, and I'm just going to pile some of that on there. Bacon, crumbled bacon on these is really good. You can choose whatever you like on them. And then I have a buttered breadcrumb, basically panko crumbs with some melted butter. Stir them together, and all we do is sprinkle some of that on the top. And we're going to pop these in for about 20 minutes until they turn nice and golden brown. Our jalapeno poppers all finished, and they make a great addition to all the wonderful tailgating snacks you can find here at Ashcombe's for your tailgating party for this football season.